What's up, good people? I just heard some really good news. You just downloaded and purchased our RCA House Points app. Welcome to the family. I am so excited to see what this app is going to do to elevate your educational experience this school year. My name is Niles Boyd. I am a customer success specialist here at the Ron Clark Academy, and today I'm going to show you how to use your app as a staff on this mobile device, and I'm going to make sure you're a master at it by the end of this video. Come on, let's take a look. So here we are. When you open the app, you are going to see the landing page, and this is the bread and butter where you give points to your students. Now, it's very simple how you give points. You're going to click on a name, and you can click on one student or multiple students. We're going to click on Ava and Bruce. And then what we're going to do is hit our next page and select a category. Now, these categories are the reason why our students get points, and you can change them in your admin portal. We're going to hit school spirit, give an optional description. We're going to say, great job in class today. And then what we'll do is go down here and we can actually adjust the points using these green and red buttons on the bottom. So we're going to give each 3 points, and then we're going to slide right here, and then bada bing, bada boom, you've just awarded house points. Now, if you don't want to sit there and scroll all throughout here to make sure you find a student, all you have to do is type their name in the search bar and they will appear, or you can filter them out by grade, house, or roster, and then hit apply, and then you'll find that student. Also, if you want to give house points to an entire house, go to the bottom of your screen right here and hit the house. Then all you need to do is select which house you want. So today we'll feel friendly and give Amistad house points and do the exact same process. Hit next, find a category, give an optional description. We're going to say go, description I mean. We're going to say go Amistad, and then we will select the amount of points that they want, that they earned, and then what we'll do is slide here and award them points. Also, you can award points through your rosters, which you can do maybe if that's your club or your class. You can create those in the rosters tab, which I'll show you in a minute. And then all you need to do is find that roster, hit next, and do the exact same thing. It's very simple. Now, once you're done giving points here, we're going to go to the home screen, and this is where all of our features are. If you go here at this first tab, you will see the given points tab. Now, these are all the points you've actually given over the past week and the past month. It's really cool because you'll see why and who you gave these points to, and you can always keep track of what you're doing in your classroom. If you go out of that tab, you will see the leaderboard. Now you'll see everybody in every house and where they are in the standings from first all the way to fourth. Now, if you hit S on the school leaderboard, that goes to show you how the houses are doing within your own school. But if you hit G, that goes to show you how your house is doing globally around the world with the Ron Clark Academy. Now, this only applies if you are using the Ron Clark Academy houses as well, but it's a really cool feature to show that this house system is something that's bigger than just one school. It's global. Now, if you go down here, this is the messaging tab, which allows us to have two-way messaging with parents, staff, and students around the school. You can do group chats, or you can also do personal messaging. Very simple. You hit a chat, type in whatever message you need to do. We're going to say good morning, and then hit send, and you're all ready to go, and people can get that notification on their phone quick and easy. Now, after two-way messaging, when you go back, you now have the reports tab. These reports are very intuitive because it allows you to get the information needed to see how many points, when points were given, and to whom points were given to. And you can use these filters to get as in-depth as you want. So you can pick a date. Let's say we want to check all the points from this month in the second grade from the House of Altruismo from our test roster. Well, all we have to do is hit apply once we put those filters in, and it will generate a report for you, lickety split. Okay? Now, once we go back, we have our rosters tab. Now, remember what I was saying about the rosters. You can use it for a club or class or any subsections of students that you want within your school. Now, to create a roster, it's very simple. You're gonna hit the new roster button right here. You're gonna add your students. We're gonna add Ava and Bruce and Lily, and then we're gonna hit the done button. Add yourself as a staff member. We're gonna hit RCA admin, and then also you can add your admin as well so that your principal or your administrator knows that you have a roster as well. Share that with them. You're gonna hit done, and then at the end of that, you'll hit save, and then your roster will forever be in your portal, and you can always go back to it. Now, after your rosters tab, you have the school feed. Now, this is basically school Twitter. This is where you can put all your big time announcements for your school right here so that people have multiple lines of communications and know what is going on. Here we have a couple of things that we're testing out. We have some videos that we're giving to the students to show our new HousePoints app and some of the in-depth tutorials. We also have some of our lunch menus and some big things that we have, like our Mr. Beast video that went viral. This is just a great way for parents, students, and staff to know what's going on. And if you ever want people to acknowledge that they saw the message, they can always respond by hitting one of these emojis and acknowledging it. Now, finally, if you ever want to sign out, log out, or have any account issues, you can go right here, go to your account settings, sign out, and then you can also add an account if you're a teacher that possibly has a student that goes to the school and you might need to add another account so you can see what they're doing in their classroom as well. Very intuitive, and it's very, very simple. Well, hey, that's it. I mean, it doesn't get simpler than that. If you ever need us, you know how to find us. You can go to housepoints@ronclarkacademy.com. We will be glad to service you and help you out in any way possible. I cannot wait to see you elevate your educational experience and your culture at your school with this house app. It's going to be something special. I'm Niles Boyd, and I hope to see you soon.